This egg stew made my Mother's Day celebration a memorable one, and in today's video, that is what I'm going to share with you. You will love the recipe because it is very simple, easy to make, and we are pairing this with some boiled plantains. This was so nice. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much for your time. I have my oil here. I'll go ahead and pour it in my cooking pot, and then I will add my rosemary. I will add some bay leaves, and then we will proceed. Now what I've added is my blended onions. Okay, I'll give it a stir, wait for a while, and then the next ingredients we are going to add is my tomato sauce. Okay, I have the recipe on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do not forget to check it out and you will love it. Okay, it makes cooking very easier, simple, and it saves time as well. So after stirring it, I'm just going to add my tomatoes. Okay, recently my husband was telling me that I should be adding some chopped tomatoes to the stew so that we can enjoy some fiber in the stew. So that is why I'm adding that. If you don't want it, please omit it. Okay, thank you very much. So after I'm done cutting it, I'll go ahead and then add it to the stew. Then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't, please do so for me. It is totally free. Okay, I've added my natural herbs and spice blend. I've added it to the stew. Okay, and I'll be bringing you the recipe very soon, but for now, please use any herbs and spice blend of your choice. Okay, thank you so much. Now I would like to add some vegetables to the stew, and we'll be adding carrots and others. So I'll go ahead and prep them and then add it to the stew. Thank you so much. My name is Lena, and if you are new here, as I said earlier, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you subscribe or follow, it is free. They are not going to take any money from you, so please do well to do so for me, and I'll be very happy if you share to others. And please like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll be very thankful. So we are done prepping the vegetables. I'll then go ahead and add it to the stew, but I'll wait a while before I add the spring onions, scallions, green onions, anyhow you call it. This is the fish we are going to use. Okay, but I will add some cocoa to the stew. You can omit it, but if you are old here, you know I am the president of Kako. The Kako president. Okay, so I love Kako so much. That is salted shark. Now I added that, and I've added my fish as well. I deboned it. Now this is the eggs we are going to use. Please use any quantity that you want to use. Okay, you can add just 4, 1, or anyhow, but this is how I want it. So I am not going to tell you the quantity. Use the quantity that you want to use. I have another way I prepare my egg stew. It is on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. You will love that one as well, especially if you want it very, very, very chunky. Yes, you will love it. Now I'm just going to add it to the stew. Since I've realized that there is oil on top of it, it means our stew is ready. Okay, so before you add your egg to it, you make sure you've added your seasoning that will add some taste to the stew. So I added that before adding the eggs. Okay, and be very mindful with the salt. If you are using the kako or any salted fish, you don't have to add a lot of things that contain salt to the stew, else it will be salty. So now forgive me about the quality you are seeing here. Okay, not knowing my little girl, off the lights in the kitchen, I did not know. So now I on it back, and then I'll go ahead and add my sardines. Okay, you can omit that as well. Our stew is ready. After I added the sardines to it, I waited for some few minutes, just like 2 minutes, and our stew is ready. Let me show you something. Just look at that. Very chunky and delicious already. As I said earlier, we are going to pair this with ripe plantains. You can pair it with your rice, yam, and you are good to go. Okay, eba, bangkun, anything. So I don't add salt to my ripe plantains when I'm boiling it. After 5 to 7 minutes, this is ready, and just look at that. Please do not forget to follow for more videos. I love you.